Nestled in a tiny town outside Denton, where the green pasture stretches on for miles, sits a little steakhouse on the prairie, a place that celebrates a simpler time.
That's what we want to represent, that kind of cowboy western horse experience.
Where the beers are always frosty, the fire is always flaming.
It's a good Texas place.
And a menu chock full of mesquite-grilled meats that'll never let you down.
The food is always good, no matter what we order on the menu.
Owner Jim Murray has always been a collector of curiosities.
I don't know why I have snow skis up there. It's just...
Sounded good at the time?
Yeah.
And his restaurant, Prairie House, is a museum of memorabilia.
You know, everything from my picture of Teddy Roosevelt, Will Rogers comic. We just collect things that make people remember their childhood and their grandparents and family experience.
That's what it's all about.
It is.
Jim's passion for food started at an early age.
My dad used to travel a lot and would take me to restaurants, and I remember sitting in our nodes in New Orleans and the guys were flying and the food was going and I was going, I really want to do this. It was amazing.
If anyone knows the restaurant business, it will keep you moving. Back in 1989, Jim found an old bait shop and decided to take a chance to open his own restaurant. At the time, there was only one other restaurant in town. Now you started here as a cook, is that right?
I was the original cook. I started real small. Used to go out and count the cars in the parking lot. Counted 27 cars one night and it was like cha-ching, and you know, now I have 120 spaces and I fill it every night.
I was going to say, if you count them on any given night now, you're going to be out there a long time counting cars. Southern charm and friendly service have kept the customers coming back for nearly 30 years.
It's a down-home feel and I love the environment.
So we always come here for a good time.
Everything, and I mean everything at Prairie House is cooked over an open fire.
Nothing but mesquite wood. We light the fire at 7:30 in the morning and it burns till 10 at night.
Like this 16-ounce prime beef ribeye, flame grilled and served with a loaded baked potato. It doesn't get more American than this.
It's just delicious, marbleized perfectly in fat and seasoned just right.
Or the ever-popular pork chop.
Pork chop Thursday, yeah. People come for miles.
Really? What makes it so good?
Texas food with the southern flair to it.
Everything's better in Texas.
It
you
is.
Know that.
I know. That's why I'm here.
Me too. Me too. Of course, there's lip-smacking barbecue and chicken fried steak. But frontier food isn't all that's on the menu. You'll want to try the quail knots, a twisty tie of breast and thigh meat, char-grilled over those mesquite flames, and dipped in raspberry habanero hot sauce. Tell me about the Bandidos.
Oh, those are amazing. It's just like this really good thing. I don't know.
I had to find out more about this mysterious jalapeno poppin' signature side. The Bandidos.
Bandidos, that's right. The bandits.
We're going to show you how to do it. You're going to think you know what's going on, but you don't, because they're done differently here, right?
That's right. We've got a couple special tricks.
Each smoky, thick-cut bacon strip is lined with a marinated chicken strip, topped with pickled jalapeno and loaded with pepper jack cheese. And then we start the roll. Skewered and grilled over the open flame and finished with Prairie House's signature sweet barbecue sauce.
Banditos, there we have it.
Oh, that's good. I can see
Thank
why you
you.
sell thousands of these a month.
Bacon wrapped, jalapeno jack stuffed. I'm addicted.
Prairie House has a fierce following of regulars, like country star Randy Travis. And we just happened to run into Dallas Cowboys Hall of Famer Randy White that very night. But you don't have to have a famous name to receive the royal treatment here.
Couldn't be any better restaurant we'd rather have in our backyard.
I couldn't agree more.